So this tutorial on teaching with Google is going to cover Blogger, and let's just jump right into it. I'm going to go to my Blogger account, and you're going to see I've got a lot of blogs. I use a blog for every course, and there's a lot of different blogs here, but I'm going to just jump into a blog and kind of work from there. This is one that is not used for a course. That it'll serve as a good example. So you can see the design of this blog, and I've got links to other things as well. And what I'll do for my class blog is I'll link to the class website and link to assignments or what have you. But let me show you also how this generally starts off. So this is the course, the actual course that I have right now that we've been using as an example. So the first week of class, what I'll do is I'll go into Google Docs and I'll create a form. And you can see that I've embedded the form in this Google site here. Remember, I could click Edit Page and go here and insert the form. And so what happens is I direct students to this site, and they give me their name and they give me their Gmail address. And from there, what I will do is after they have been given some time for everybody to record their information, you're going to see that what I've done here is I've actually deleted all that information for privacy, obviously, but you're going to see where students have actually entered all that information in, and what would show up is their Gmail address right here. So what I would do then is I would copy these Gmail addresses, and then I would go into the guts of the blog, if you will, the background area, and under settings here on the blog, I can go here and I could click add authors. So I add authors, and I would go in here and just paste all those Gmail addresses and then invite them to the blog, and then they would get an invitation in their Gmail account to join the blog. And I do all of that because if you notice here under blog readers, this particular blog, the sociology blog, is set to anybody, but if you click edit, you can select only blog authors. And so this is your blog is restricted so that only blog authors can read it. So that helps us maintain some privacy. And so the only ones that can see the blog are the ones that I've invited, and that's going to be the students. So that's how it works out. And what I would also end up doing is I would copy the blog address, and then as I was just showing you a second ago on the class website, I include a link right there. So I go in here and edit the Google site to show the blog, and then they can get access to the blog once they're invited and they've accepted the invitation. So that's how I use the blog for discussion boards and assignments.